How to use Rainmeter in Windows 11. So Rainmeter will allow you to make customizations to your desktop so you can go and install themes and make your own custom desktop. Now, the first thing you'll need to do is just go and open up an internet browser, type in Rainmeter and press enter, and then click on the official website, which is rainmeter.net. Now, this is an open source application, so it's completely safe to download. So I'm going to press the download button, and then you can go and install this application. So just go ahead and go through all of these steps. Now, once you've installed Rainmeter, you're going to see these widgets on your screen. So what you can do is come down to the bottom right hand side of your taskbar and go and click on the Rainmeter icon. Now, over on the left hand side, you'll see all of the skins that you currently have installed. Now, by default, you're only going to have this one, which is Illustro, and this is the free one that comes with Rainmeter. So if you click on the drop down arrow next to this is where you can customize all of the different elements on the desktop. So let's click on the drop down arrow next to clock and click on the clock. And you'll see a button here that says unload. If you click on this, you can see that this will hide and also unhide the clock. So you can essentially do the same thing with all of these different elements. You can either add things and also hide them from the desktop. Now, you may also want to go and add and customize your own Rainmeter skins. So to do this, you'll need to go and open up an internet browser, and you'll need to head over to the website visualskins.com. So this is a website where you can download free Rainmeter skins. Now, if you scroll down, you'll see some different skins we can choose from. I'm just going to click on this top one, MOND. Now, if you get an advert on the page, just close out of this, and then you'll need to scroll down to the download link. Now, make sure you're using the official download link and not any of these spam adverts. Once you've clicked the download, you can head over to the downloads folder and open up this file. Make sure both of these options are selected and then press install. You can then go and close out of this window, and you'll need to open back up Rainmeter. As you can see, we now have this second skin in our folder. And if you click on the drop down arrow, you'll find all of the different elements just like before. So from here, you can go and add, and you can also remove things from your desktop. Now, another thing you can do is you can reposition things on the screen as well. So if you just hold your mouse cursor down like this, you can go and reposition different elements on the screen. So that's how to use Rainmeter on your Windows 11 computer.